I dropped the ball. Yo, I dropped the ball.
Bro, you had one job. Yo, he had one job.
What up, YouTube? The boys are trying to play me today, trying to say the car is not running because of me. Let me tell you guys, I ordered every single part. They're trying to play me saying that I forgot one fitting and that's why the car is not running.
Just show everybody right now. Just show everybody how in the position that they are. Does it look like anybody's working? And whose fault is that?
Hold on. It is 5 o'clock, we got like an hour left.
It could have been running an hour.
They're trying to say that the car is not running because of me.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna show you guys.
That's what you did. You went to the fabrication shop.
I went to the fabricator, forgot a 90-degree fitting that you said that you didn't need. You told me this morning.
I wouldn't say that I didn't need it. I'd be like, yo, all right, I need 5 straights and I don't need a 90.
That's all you said. I could even
Bro,
prove.
you had one job. Yo, he had one job today.
They're trying to say I dropped the ball and that's why the car's not running today. Today's Friday, so I guess I'm gonna have to wait till Monday to get the car running. But let me show you how.
This is unacceptable.
YouTube, I'm gonna show you how all 3 of them are liars today, right? Look underneath of this car. What do you see underneath of there? An engine harness that's not plugged in.
That just has to get ran through the firewall and plug in the computer.
Let me also show you guys, there's no ground terminal, there's no positive terminal.
They're done already. They're done. What are you talking about? Stop. You just want an excuse.
I didn't drop the ball. I didn't drop the ball. No.
One job.
There's no upper coolant. I mean, you're gonna start
to start it.
You don't need to start it.
You let me down. We pushed so hard all week, right? We were talking, oh, it's gonna be 2-3 weeks to get the car done. Today is Friday. It was 1 week. You guys seen what this car looked like? You had one job, bro, and it's
One fitting. One fitting.
All right, so from when you guys seen the video when I said 2 to 3 weeks, that was like a couple of days ago. And I'm going off in my head because you're like, oh, probably a solid 2 weeks. So I'm going off what you told me.
So that's what ran through your mind when you're like, all right, he don't need the fit. He don't need this 90 right now. He got time, right?
Yeah.
Is that what happened?
He was working a little bit too fast today.
Forget about the fitting. Let's show them what we got done.
Let's walk around this slow. I'm gonna start from, I guess, the battery because there was, if you guys remember, there's a bunch of wiring that went here, and now all of it somehow disappeared.
Bluetooth, baby.
Bluetooth wiring, baby. OEM Honda battery.
I like that style.
Got the ktuned coil cover.
I see a header that wasn't on before, 1320 header. Don't give me that because when we took the 1320 exhaust off, you wasn't with it. 1320 makes some decent parts.
Yeah, except the fucking fart can that you want to put on a Civic. We don't do those.
All right, so we got ktuned coil cap cover.
And obviously my boy finished the fuel lines except for one.
That I could.
One right here. Just this one is left.
He mounted the regulator. All right, I dropped the ball. Yo, I dropped the ball. Nitrous set up under there, fuel filter. I see a radiator.
Yeah, I finished that shit today.
Jarak and who?
Marsh Fab.
Marsh Fab.
Marsh Fab.
Just waiting on a 90, so we're gonna have a cold air.
I don't see. We got the radiator in with one of the hoses. This thing wouldn't start it today, bro.
Real quick question. Whose idea was the blue brake lines?
Yes. Yes. Matter of fact, let's get into that. Let's actually. Hold on. Let's get into that. Remember the ricer brake lines I was telling you guys about, right? Do not rice your shit at home because shit does not fit. Where'd you buy this shit from? China? Huh? You bought this shit from China, huh?
It needs a brake line.
No, let me see.
It needs a brake line tuck.
Because it needs a 90.
It needs a brake line tuck because you were too cheap to buy a brake line kit.
That
you had to use the OEM brake line.
That wasn't the plan.
Which doesn't screw into here.
You guys that are watching, the plan for this car was not show car. This car is like 400 horsepower. We're using the stock brake setup.
So what's the point of having a clean painted bay?
It's nice. It looks clean.
Why?
And wheel wells.
And wheel wells.
It's a clean car. It's a clean build.
And paint. Come on. Anyways. I'm pulling OEM brake lines back on in the meantime.
And you wanna know what's crazy? I used to look up to his sense of style too. After today, I lost all respect.
Well, you gotta give half and half credit right there. 50-50.
Gay. Anyways. Just show them, give them a montage, bro.
I'll give them a walk around. You got the resto tuner up?
We ordered it.
Yes.
Okay,
Everything that's missing is already ordered, don't you worry.
Check this out. I don't know, I didn't get to the interior yet, guys, so.
Oh, speaking of interior.
Where's the key?
Did the interior crew come in?
Let's go.
Go check it
I
out.
haven't even looked in there.
You really haven't?
Oh, that's what's done, baby.
I don't know.
Where the seats at, bro?
Hold on.
Steering wheel.
Do you call this finished, guys? This ain't finished. This is nowhere
I
near.
got a quick release
I
steering
gotta
wheel,
put
bro.
a new ignition because the old key was fucked up. So I bought a new ignition. I'm still waiting on the ignition to get here.
Don't say interior is
everything else
finished.
is in there.
No, it's not. You're missing
The
seats.
door panels are on.
Yo, Sonic, let me guess. Bluetooth steering wheel?
No, I can't do that. I don't know. It ain't. it ain't on,
I know what's
bro.
wrong with it.
I know what's wrong with it. But this thing is like, I give the interior about
90%.
no 90. You're smoking. There's no seats, no floor mats, no ECU mount.
90.
I'm gonna give the interior. No, I'll give him more than that. I was gonna give him 70, J-Rock. And then the car to don't listen to them. The car to being running, I'm gonna go. It's 90% done.
You said 95 in yesterday's video. Now it's 90 today. How are you going down?
They took they took shit off of the car. Like the engine harness is not even in. There's no brake lines. There's no way this car is going on the floor, and it's nowhere near running right now.
Monday, mark my words, it'll be running.
No,
Yes.
no.
Well, it depends. Who's getting the fitting?
I'll go get it.
It's running.
It's running. Damn, why y'all doing me dirty today though?
Hit the dyno by Tuesday.
Yo.
No, there's no way. No way. There's no way we're gonna do brake lines.
It's on part. We're still waiting on like small parts.
Yeah, interior.
When's the master spacer coming?
Oh, my space will be here Monday. So.
And,
Did you guys?
See a nitrous line down there, brake lines. Seats are missing.
He's gonna put the thing.
Front calipers got to go on.
Yeah, we don't need seats. My boy rides a hook crate.
Yeah, we're done with that hood rat shit.
Hitting that big shot on the hook crate.
Yo, I see some wire tug going on over here.
That's interior, guys.
That's for the interior. This thing is pretty much set though. 90%.
Nah, it's like 98.
I see a nitrous bottle behind you though.
Yeah, we're gonna go get it painted blue.
Could you tell the viewers what size shot real quick?
95% done interior. Come check it out.
There's a seat in there.
We'll be right back. I didn't forget that question.
Got a nice seat.
What car will too?
Yo, as soon as he bangs second, he'll be in the trunk. Let's get back. What size shot?
That's between me and Jamie Marsh.
I promise you this.
Yo, hold on. Matter of fact, let's get to the question of who's driving.
We already
Those
agreed.
comments were pretty. I love you guys.
I don't think that one comment.
I want to see his face after it blows up.
Not one comment I don't think said me, and not one comment said my brother, because we've been on the channel driving, right? So now that holds you up to a pretty high standard, right? So that you got to do either the same driving as us, if not better, right?
The problem is
Without blowing up or missing a gear or any of that shit.
Yo, if you miss a gear, we're not editing that part out.
No.
It's going up.
Win, din, din, din.
that ain't me, baby. time for the big shot.
Yo, I promise you guys, he misses a gear, a rod kicks out, I'm putting all the memes up.
Since I'm driving, right? Can I call out the Trackhawk
Alright.
on that video?
Oh,
That's fine.
it's a call out. The Trackhawk
That
ain't
shit be
breaking.
fire.
It'll be a good race. Hold on. What tires are you coming on?
Some Mickey's, baby.
Mickey's?
Yeah.
He definitely missed a second gear, 100%. You need a little bit of spin with that transmission. Drop in the comments who you got. This car, 400, well, whatever shot he put in. So I'm gonna go 500 at most, right? I'm gonna go 450, 450 horse, because I feel like he's gonna put a bigger, or has a bigger jet in the car against the Trackhawk. I'm gonna go, if the Trackhawk has, if this car has traction, I'm gonna go with this. But if this car, nah, bro, spinning ain't winning, bro.
I ain't spinning.
I'm gone, baby.
Yo,
I'm gone.
yo, can we get some?
I'll bet you a really expensive steak.
Yo, can we get some real skin in the game?
Right? I'll bring you back into the Honda
Mopar,
game.
no car, baby.
I'm gonna say no car after this.
All right, so get some skin in the game. What's the bet?
I say a nice steak dinner.
You guys keep saying steak.
Tell him the fucking steak
I
that
don't
you
want no
guys ate.
fucking chicken nugget, yo.
Oh, I'll drop the video. I'll drop the video that he paid up. He paid his bet.
Yeah, J-Rock, where we at, bro?
I just gotta say I'm tired of making these bets, yo, because
I'm getting fucking chicken nuggets, yo.
You definitely. Ahmed got you a chicken nugget, yo. He ain't
I'm 2 for 2 right
he ain't getting me a chicken nugget.
I'm done, yo. The steak that you gave me was like this.
That's what you want. You want a little ass fillet.
And he paid his bet, and his steak was like that.
That's the second time you got a fillet.
That's not a fucking restaurant, I'll tell you that.
You guys gotta do something different.
What else? Put in the comments what you guys think.
Put in the comments what do you think the loser should pay up or what they should do, you know? Jarek's driving the white EG 100% because you guys left that in the comments, and my brother's gonna drive the Trackhawk. I might come out and fast guy shit.
The best out of 3 shit, because once I fucking gap his ass, I don't want to be like, yo, let's go again.
You might have to because his ass leaves on 2 or 1. So like, we might have to, right? He be cheating.
Yeah, he do be cheating. Cheating, Mr. Jump on one.
Yo, I'll even give him the leave.
Damn.
Okay.
Don't.
Oh, are you crazy with this car?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. No, that Trackhawk 60s.
I raced the Nitrous car.
This shit got a big shot up on the top run.
All right, boys. That's pretty much it for today. Let's pray on Monday's gonna be running. I'm gonna get that 90-degree fitting just like they said. I'm gonna come here Monday morning, right? I'm gonna come here Monday morning, 9 o'clock with that fitting.
I want to see, when I come in here Monday morning, I want to see one fitting from you and one fitting from you, just to be sure.
I promise you're gonna have the fitting, and I promise you by Monday when we leave from here, I don't think this car's gonna be running.
What's the bet?
I'll bet you on that.
What do you want to bet?
I don't know.
No, well, we can't because
Running?
it's not going to
It'll be moving on its own power,
be
yeah.
on the ground, brake line's done, running after the fitting.
Fully running?
Yeah.
That include exhaust?
This alignment might even be done, honestly.
Including exhaust?
Yeah.
No way. Ain't no way.
Alright, so
We're talking about, listen, right, we're talking about harness, full brake lines, you guys got one side caliper on, power wire, ground, remember windshield guys coming Monday, there's no seats in the car, clutch, the master, you have to put the bracket back on the back, bleed clutch, bleed brakes, upper coolant line, full exhaust, and you said alignment? No way, ain't no way.
I'll bet you, bro. If it's done Monday, end of day, you gotta give everybody in the shop $100.
Deal.
Okay.
That's a fucking deal.
If all the parts are here
And then if they're not here, everybody gives me $100.
Yo, if all the parts are here Monday morning, this car will be done like afternoon time, like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
I like that. I'd love to see that happen.
Started running everything.
I'd love to see that happen. Okay. That way we can get a dyno video next week. And then we'll get pulls, and then it'll be so many pulls on YouTube. I'll post up all week YouTube pulls on Nitrous.
You might as well give everybody $100 now. Because you just lost.
All right, boys. I'll see you guys Monday.